Hey guys, welcome back to the Hebert house. Today I have a packing hacks video. I know that a lot of you are going on vacation during the summer, and so I wanted to put together some of my favorite packing tips and hacks that may make your packing process easier. Before I get into the tips, I would love for you to subscribe to our channel. I'm the mom here at the Hebert house, and our channel is just focused on our family, cleaning, organizing, day-to-day life, our infertility journey, and a little bit of everything. So make sure you subscribe, and if you have not, make sure you hit that bell to get notifications when we post videos so you don't miss anything this summer. So I would love to go ahead and start on our packing hacks, but the first thing and the number one hack is to make sure that you have a clean space. It is so important that you have a clean space whenever you're packing, because packing can be overwhelming. You're getting all of this stuff out and having to pack it into one place, and if your space isn't clean already, that's just gonna add to your to the craziness of trying to pack. So before I get started on the other tips, make sure that you have your space cleaned up and ready to go. I usually pack on my bed, which is behind me, so I usually make it and make sure there's not a bunch of stuff around it, so that way I can lay everything out and know exactly what I'm packing. I try to lay everything out according to the day that I'm going to wear it. So I'd put everything for Monday in one section, everything for Tuesday, and so on and so forth. Once I have my outfits picked out, then I add accessories. With this outfit, I knew I needed a camisole, I knew I needed a sweater, and then I also had my shoes. And for hack number 2, this is a shower cap. I usually take these from the hotels we stay in, and I use them to put my shoes in so that way my shoes don't get my clothes dirty in the suitcase. Lastly, I roll each outfit up together, so that way when I am in the hotel or wherever we're staying, I can just grab the outfit out and all the pieces are already together without me having to find them in my suitcase. The next hack is if you have a child traveling with you, to make daily clothes bags. I put all of his clothes into one bag with his vitamin, and it is labeled with the day of the week. So that way all he has to do is grab the bag, put on his clothes, and there's no arguing or fussing about what he's going to put on, and everything is already done beforehand. Next up are these packing bags from Amazon. They come in handy so much when you're trying to pack a lot of things in a suitcase. I'm going to leave the link below, but I'm also going to show you guys how I use them here, and that way you can see how they fit into my suitcase. The next couple of hacks are about your toiletries. If you're carrying large bottles like this and not putting them into smaller, you can use plastic wrap to put between the lid and the product, and it helps with it leaking out in your suitcase. prefer to decanter my products into these smaller bottles. I got this set on Amazon, and it's actually approved for flights with the plastic bag. And so I'll leave the link down below if you'd like to check it out. The travel size bottles of products at the grocery store or even at Target can be kind of pricey per ounce. So I also think this is a great way to save some money while traveling. I have also found that it really takes up a lot less room when you decanter these tubs like this. So with us trying to conceive and my grandmother living with us, we have a lot of medicine. So instead of taking all those bottles on the road, I bought these pill pouches off of Amazon, I'll link it below, to get everything ready before we leave. It is so much easier just to pull these out and give them out at the breakfast or dinner and be done with it. Last but not least, I recommend having a list of all medications on your phone, because if you don't have the bottles and there's an emergency, you want to make sure that you have a list of medications on you. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope these packing hacks help you. Please make sure you subscribe and come back and see us again at the Hebert house. God bless.